Morning guys, so we're going to be using some whipped cream and we're going to use 4 layers of this to stack and make one cake. This is a cookies and cream cake, so we're going to be icing cookies and cream and vanilla cake. So let's start by using so the board so that your cake doesn't slide off. Okay, this is a cake for the house. Today is my daughter's birthday, so I'm not doing anything fancy. Okay, I don't want the layers to have too much cream. This cream is packed with calories, so I don't want the cream to be too much. So we're putting the next. This is vanilla. As a mom, do you make your children's cakes? Comment below if you do. Knowing how to bake saves me a lot, because if I had to be paying for these cakes that I make for them, it will set me back by quite an amount. So I'm glad I know how to bake. When it's a birthday, I just quickly whip up something for them and they are grateful. Normally every year I make a cartoon character for them, but I told them this year I was not going to do that. I take my time to make a fondant cake. So I wanted there's a layer of purple. I wanted the purple layer to be next, then I put this one, but this one is slightly smaller, so I'm just gonna use it anyway. It's smaller. No matter where you go. She wanted purple. She said she wanted a purple velvet cake. Oh my god, kids can be very funny. So guys, I forgot she said she wanted a surprise inside. Now, normally with a surprise inside cake, what you have to do is just take whatever size of round cutter you want and make the different layers. Make a hole in the different layers. But since I forgot and I've already stacked this cake, I just have to do this the hard way. It's way easier if you do this while they are not yet stacked. Just make the hole. So now let me get to doing this. Guys, this will be way easier if you do this while you have not yet stacked the cake. With this, I won't be able to reach all the way down. That's okay, just a cake for the house, so no problem. I just want to make sure I give her a surprise cake. So guys, you keep the one for the top. Don't throw everything away. I'm going to use this when I finish filling the cake. This is what she wants. Some chocolate balls, white chocolate and brown, and then some Smarties. So I'm going to put them inside the cake now. What I'm doing is alternating it. I put the chocolate balls first, then I put some of the Smarties, and I'm not going to put remain chocolate balls. I think we still have space for some Smarties. Yes, we do. So I'm going to use this part that we cut out to just put here and press it. So with that being settled, I'm going to proceed with doing the cake. I'm using whipped cream like I said earlier. I like whipped cream. All put in there. I'm not using a turntable. I can do this without the turntable. Please can you help me with that boy? I don't have water. I'm trying to. Okay, no. Because I know. Yeah, the surprises. See the surprises.